Have you ever felt like a woman in your life, maybe a girlfriend, a wife, or even just someone you're interested in, doesn't value you the way she should? Like no matter what you do, she just doesn't appreciate you. It's frustrating. It's disappointing. But here's the truth. It only happens because you allow it. When a woman takes you for granted, she assumes that no matter how she treats you, you'll always be there. She assumes that she doesn't need to respect you because you're always available. But guess what? That ends today. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to handle this situation like a true stoic man. Not by begging, not by getting angry, but by making her feel your loss. Because sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is walk away and mean it. Stay tuned to the end, because if you apply these principles, not only will she see your true value, but you'll reclaim your own power and self-respect. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Why do women take men for granted? First, let's understand why this happens. Why do women take good men for granted? The answer is simple. Familiarity breeds complacency. When you're too available, too predictable, and too easy to get, she stops valuing you. It's human nature. When something is always there, we assume it always will be. Think about the air you breathe. You don't wake up every morning and say, "Wow, I'm so grateful for oxygen." But if I put you underwater for a minute, suddenly, you'd appreciate every single breath. Women are the same with men. If you're constantly around, she won't see your worth. But if you remove yourself, she will feel your absence like never before. So how do you fix this? Keep watching. Chapter 2. Stop being overavailable. Here's a mistake too many men make: being too available. If she texts you at 2 a.m., you reply instantly. If she cancels plans, you say, "No worries, we'll reschedule." If she ignores your efforts, you just try harder. Wrong. Women don't respect men who are always at their beck and call. If she knows she can flake on you, ignore you, or treat you poorly without consequences, why would she change? The solution? Stop responding so quickly. Stop rearranging your life for her. Let her see that you're busy, that you have options, and that you're not just waiting around. When you stop giving her your constant attention, she'll start wondering what changed. And that's exactly what you want. Chapter 3. Withdraw your energy. The next step is even more powerful. Withdraw your energy. Women are incredibly intuitive. They can sense when your focus shifts, when you're no longer orbiting around them, when your mind is occupied elsewhere. They feel it. And do you know what happens when a woman feels she's losing your attention? She panics. Suddenly, she starts wondering, why isn't he chasing me anymore? Is he seeing someone else? Did I mess up? That's when she starts texting more. That's when she suddenly misses you. That's when she realizes that she was taking you for granted. But by then, you're already focused on yourself. Chapter 4. Walk away like a stoic man. Here's the ultimate move, the one that separates boys from high-value men. Walk away, and mean it. If a woman disrespects you, ignores your value, or treats you like an afterthought, you must be willing to leave. Not in a childish, dramatic way, but in a strong, self-respecting way. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." If you allow yourself to be treated poorly, you are choosing to suffer. The moment you decide, "I will not tolerate this," you reclaim your power. When she cancels plans, don't reschedule immediately. When she pulls away, don't chase. Match her energy. Women are incredibly intuitive. The moment you stop orbiting around her, she will feel it. And do you know what happens when a woman feels she's losing your attention? She starts chasing. She starts texting first. She starts asking why you're acting different. She starts realizing what she took for granted. But here's the key. You don't care anymore. Chapter Walk away with power. Here's the ultimate test. If a woman continues to take you for granted, if she disrespects you, if she doesn't appreciate your presence, you walk away. And not in an emotional, dramatic way. You walk away like a man who knows his worth. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." What does this mean? It means you cannot control her actions, but you can control your response. And a high-value man does not beg for attention. A high-value man does not force someone to appreciate him. A high-value man knows his worth and walks away from anything that does not honor it. And that is when she truly feels your loss. CHAPTR. BCOMM man, she and AFFORD2 But here's the final piece of the puzzle. You do not do this for her. You do this for yourself. You become a man who is so strong, so independent, and so focused on his purpose that her validation means nothing. You build your career. You focus on your fitness. You improve your social circle. You master your emotions. And when you do this, she will chase you like never before. Because now, you are not the desperate guy who needs her attention. You are the rare man who values himself first. And let me tell you this. A man who values himself is the most attractive man on earth. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. If she takes you for granted, step back, withdraw your energy, and walk away like a true stoic man. Because trust me, she will feel your loss. But by then, you might not even want her back. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more stoic wisdom, and comment below. Have you ever been taken for granted? How did you handle it? See you in the next one. Stay strong. Stay stoic.